We saw rocks and other objects thrown at the police department. There were reports of shots fired in the area of the police department.
Earlier in the day, dozens gathered in the same spot where family says Daunte Wright was killed by police.
What do we want? Justice! What do we want? Now!
His mother, Katie Wright, says Daunte called her right before the incident.
That he was getting pulled over by the police, and I said, well, why did you get pulled over? He said they pulled him over because he had air fresheners hanging from the rearview mirror. He didn't deserve to be shot and killed like this.
As Derek Chauvin's murder trial continues, there is more mayhem in Minnesota. The State National Guard has been deployed to Minneapolis after police fatally shot an unarmed black man, causing civil unrest to erupt on Sunday. And these revelations are already impacting the Chauvin trial. Welcome into TYT Overruled. I'm attorney Adrienne Lawrence with all of the legal deets that you need to know. In Brooklyn Center, that's a suburb some 15 minutes outside of Minneapolis, it was around 2 p.m. on Sunday local time when police shot and killed 20-year-old Daunte Wright during a traffic stop. According to Wright's mother, police pulled over Wright for having an air freshener hanging from his rearview mirror. She knows because he called her during the stop. Now, law enforcement, however, is claiming that Wright had an outstanding warrant. They tried to take him into custody, and when he tried to return to his car, they ultimately shot him. He was able to drive away for several blocks until his car collided with another, and he ultimately died at the scene. While we don't yet have the truth of the events, as the body camera footage has yet to be released, we do have growing civil unrest. 100 to 200 protesters took to the streets Sunday night, clashing with police, and according to CNN, some 20 businesses were broken into. In the aftermath, the Minnesota governor has called out the National Guard, and Brooklyn Center community schools have been closed. With all this going on in the backdrop, we have week 3 of Derek Chauvin's murder trial for the death of George Floyd. And this morning, Chauvin's attorneys asked to sequester the jury. That would entail isolating them from the outside world so that they're not influenced by any of the ongoing events associated with Wright's death. The presiding judge denied that motion, ruling that he would not sequester jurors unless there's a threat to their safety. Now, the judge's ruling makes sense, as trying to control the information that jurors see and hear is very difficult, if not near impossible, especially when it concerns information in the immediate area in which the jurors live and are deciding the case. At the same time, the judge's refusal to sequester the jury will certainly be one of Chauvin's arguments on appeal if he's convicted. Although the bar is very high to get a reversal on appeal, it still could get Chauvin a new trial possibly if there's an appellate court that thinks that the events from Wright's murder would unduly influence the jurors' decision, and thus they should have been sequestered. We're going to have to wait and see. Until then, we'll keep you posted on the latest ongoings in Minnesota and with the Chauvin trial. Thanks for watching.